Okay, so today we will test this pressure washer. Let's get the battery. It's a 3 amp 21 volts battery. Let's attach it. So it's like a snap on, strap on. It has two nozzles that come with it, the fan and the whatever, the circle. We'll need the fan. This one is flat, so need to do it like that and then attach the nozzle, snap it on like that. Okay, all right. Let's go to the water, and then we already have the water in the bucket, so we need to attach this. Dang it, attach this orange, so need to pull it like that before you put it in. So have to retract this to attach the hose. Come on, get it in, get it in. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, okay, so we already have it here. Just press this whatever trigger, and then the water pressure comes out from here like that. Oh, it's like squirting. Squirt, squirt. Okay, let's start cleaning this. See that it has cat paw prints. Dang it, those silly cats. Okay, let's clean it. Okay, come on. What the heck? Where is the other end of the hose? It's not sucking. Oh, that's why it fell. Okay, sorry for my English. This is actually intended for just the regular home viewers. Okay, here we go. There's the pressure. There's the pressure. Okay, no pressure. Are you feeling the pressure now? Oh my goodness, it's not squirting. There's the pressure. That's what I'm talking about. I love it. Yeah. Okay, look at that. Beautiful. Just look at the pressure of this fan hose. I mean, fan nozzle is really doing a really good job there. All right, the other side, I gotta lift this yoga mat. So take a look at that. It's really dirty, dust, and let's squirt it there. I love the sound of the pump, and I love the feel of the pressure of this pressure washer. Really doing a good job here. So I got this for only like 1,500, and I think it's like $50 or less. There. Let's flip it. So I'm just gonna flip this over. Flip it over, flip it over. There. Okay. Sorry for the camera, I only got two hands here. Flipping it over now, and it's the inside. What is that? Is that an aphid? Okay, katydid. It was a katydid. Alright, so this is the inside side of the yoga mat that I'm gonna spray. Okay, here we go. There are cats here. Maybe the cats want to take a shower. I love this. I can do this all day. Yeah. You see that pressure of the fan nozzle is really good. Love it. I just love it. Okay. So that's pretty strong pressure. And I gotta flip it over on the other side. So just hang in there. Oh shit. Flip it over, flip it over. Dang it. Come on. What the heck? Why doesn't it pause? Okay, let's flip it over. Okay, the video doesn't pause, so let's continue. And yeah, right, this is a really good stress reliever. So this is the pressure of the fan nozzle. It really make a good job cleaning the corrugated side of the yoga mat. So let's take a closer look at the fan nozzle. There. Really good job. I'm getting wet now. Doesn't sound right. Alright, I think that should be it. Too much. So I only consume like maybe 2/3 of a bucket just to get the job done. Yesterday I cleaned the car and I only consumed like this bucket. It isn't even full. It's only like 3/4. So I think that's about it for now. I'm gonna let this dry. Solar and wind power, you know, you gotta dry your stuff with a high technology solar and wind power. It's under the trees, under the sky and the clouds, and it's the most eco-friendly, and it's 100% green technology when you do solar and wind power clothes dryer. It's a simple string or a rope, if you want to call it that way. And thanks for watching, guys. So maybe next time I can take a video when I'm washing the car. Alright, Kiao. It doesn't stop. Dang it. Why doesn't it stop?